I've eventually found a little bit of time to do some machining for myself, and I'm going to try and get this bearing carrier finished off for the Stuart engine. And the last video I did the machine for the circlip groove in there. I won't be able to put a circlip on because the circlip's going to interfere with the fork around wiring. It'll have to do. I'll probably make one from a inroll coil spring. So hopefully tonight's job is to cut this down to length, then machine the recess in there, and then decide how I'm going to do those cutouts. I'll put it in the 3-jaw chuck, see how accurate it's running. If it's not accurate, I'll put it in the 4-jaw chuck, and then we'll go from there. Kind of feel where it wants to sort of be. We'll nip it up on the master jaw. It certainly looks good. We'll put a dial on it. Right, and that's within a thou. I'll loosen it off and just reposition it. Within a thou, that's certainly well within steam engine tolerances. The first thing to do will be to part it off to length and then machine that recess in there. That's just at the wrong height, or the wrong down ladder to do that. Right, we want 36mm, so that's touching the very end of the job there. These sizes aren't super critical because this one's all crushed and battered, but 36mm, in fact 36.5 is the dimension I've got. I have got my DRO back, which makes things quicker and simpler. So what I've got to do now is wind that 36mm. .5, and that's exactly where I want to part that off. I could just machine it away, but it's a nice piece of cast iron. It'll make a nice thrust washer or something. We'll be keeping that. It never hurts to use the world trusted method of a ruler just to make sure, or a scale, and that is 36mm. Should be good speed for parting this off. Let's go on the fast side. That looks better. That's done 100 RPM there. It's going very nicely. Very nice. 39mm is the diameter of the hole. .36, so another 1.5. Should make it 39. 1.5 each side gives a total cut of 3. 1.5 there. I'll leave it slightly undersized. And then we can do it on a nice light finishing cut. Right. We'll leave it at that and then I can finish it off. Then we need to know the depth of the cut. 16mm, near as I can make it. I've zeroed the DRO on the outside, so now I know how far out I can come. I've set the 0 there, so now I need to go in 16mm. I'm going to put a light on so I can get a bit better image quality in there. Sometimes it's difficult to get the light in the right place. That's better. Going to speed up the gear for the last fine cut. That wasn't very pleasant. It looks better than it sounded. Right, that's good for John. Break that edge there, break that edge there. When I say break the edge, I mean put a little chamfer on. That's obviously not physically breaking faster through. That tool there will do the job on the inside, and that way for the outside. I might just break that by hand. Be careful with it, go for the only shape. Happy with that. Just put a chamfer on the inside. Let that go. Right now we're going to try it on the end of the crankshaft, see if it fits. Right, now there's a really nice fit on there. That's what the cutouts are for, to clear those bits. And that goes in there, and the ball weights come out and push against the bearing carrier. Right, so the cutouts are the next bit.